everyone, I am Saloni Jaiswal. I am from International Institute of Professional Studies DAVV. My subject is Information Security and this is a test to be assignment video under the guidance of Dr. Shaligram Prajapat sir. So my first question is, which of the following models provided the strongest level of source protection? Option is BIBA model, option B Bell LaPadula model, option C Clark Wilson model, and option D is Brewer Nash model. So answer is A, BIBA model. So next question is, which of the following model is based on the concept of lattice? Option A BIBA model, option B Bell LaPadula model, option C Clark Wilson model, option D Brewer Nash model. So the answer is B, Bell LaPadula model. Third one, which of the following models is designed to protect the integrity and confidentiality of data in a database? Option A BIBA model, option B Bell LaPadula model, option C Clark Wilson model, option D Brewer Nash model. So answer is C, Clark Wilson model. Question 4, which of the following model is to design protect against unauthorized access to sensitive information? Option A BIBA model, option B Bell LaPadula model, option C Clark Wilson model, and option D Brewer Nash model. So the answer is B, Bell LaPadula model. Question number 5, which of the following models is designed to ensure that only authorized users are able to access certain resources? So option A BIBA model, option B Bell LaPadula model, option C Clark Wilson model, and option D Brewer Nash model. So the answer is B, Bell LaPadula model. Question 6, which type of cryptography require both parties to have the same key? Option A secret key cryptography, option B public key cryptography, option C both A and B, and option D none of the above. So the answer is A, secret key cryptography. Question number 7, which type of cryptography use two different keys for encryption and decryption? Option A secret key cryptography, option B public key cryptography, both A and B, and none of the above. So the answer is B, public key cryptography. Question number 4, which key is used for encryption in public key cryptography? Private key, public key, both A and B, none of the above. So the answer is public key. Which key is kept secret in a public key cryptography? Private key, public key, both A and B, none of the above. So the answer is private key, option A. Question number 10, which type of cryptography is more secure? Secret key cryptography, public key cryptography, both A and B are equally secure, none of the above. So option C, both A and B are equally secure. 11 questions, which of the following is the primary purpose of a message authentication code? Option A, to encrypt a message, to compress a message, to authenticate the sender of a message, to verify the integrity of a message. So answer is D, to verify the integrity of a message. Question number 12, which of the following is used to generate a message authentication code? Secret key, public key, an encryption key, or an encryption algorithm or decryption algorithm. So answer is A, a secret key. Question number 13, which of the following is an example of a commonly used MAC algorithm? Option A SH1 RSA, third one is Diffie-Hellman, or option D DA. So answer is A, SHA1. Question number 14, which of the following the best describe how a MAC works? Option A, the message is encrypted using a secret key and the resulting ciphertext is appended to the message. Option B, a checksum is calculated from the message and the checksum is appended to the message. Option C, the digital signature is calculated from the message and the signature is appended to the message. Option D, a hash function is applied to the message using a secret key and the resulting hash value is appended to the message. So the answer is D, option D. Question number 15, which of the following best describe the relationship between the sender and the receiver of a message in a MAC? Option A, the sender and receiver must have the same secret. Option B, the sender and receiver do not need to have any shared keys or secrets key. Option C, the sender and receiver must have the same public. Option D, the sender and receiver must share a password key, network, and web security. So the answer is A, the sender and receiver must have the same secret. Question number 16, which of the following protocol is used to provide secure communication over the internet? Option A HTTP, B SMTP, C is FTP, and D is HTTPS. So the answer is D, HTTPS. Question number 17, which of the following is a type of a network security attack that involve intercepting and modifying data packets as they are transmitted across a network? Option A, denial of a service attack. Option B, man in the middle attack. Option C, cross-site scripting attack. Option D, SQL injection attack. So the answer is B, man in the middle attack. Question number 18. Which of the following is a cryptographic protocol used to provide secure key exchange over an insecure network? Option A, SSL. Option B, TLS. Option C, SSH. Option D, IPsec. So the answer is B, TLS. Question number 19. Which of the following is a type of a web security attack that involves injecting malicious code into a web page which is then executed by a user web browser? So the option is denial of a service attack, SQL injection attack, C is cross-site scripting attack, and option D is man in the middle attack. So the answer is B, SQL injection attack. Question number 20. Which of the following is a security measures used to prevent unauthorized access to a network or a computer system? Option A, firewall. Option B, router. Option C, switch, and option D, hub. So the answer is firewall. Thank you.